फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री पार्ट 4। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं 301 से। ऑक्सीजन इज रेडिली आइडेंटिफाइड और एशेड बाय absorption into pyrogalal solutions. Dry ice is a solid form of carbon dioxide. Nitrous oxide has molecular formula of N2O. Nitrous oxide is prepared by heating ammonium nitrate. Ammonium carbonate consists of ammonium bicarbonate plus ammonium carbonate. Carbon dioxide is used as a respiratory stimulant. Potash alum has the molecular formula KAiSO4 to 12H2O. Alum is commonly used as a astringent. One of these is ingredient of mouthwash and gargles is alum. One of these alum is used as the indicator used in volumetric titration is ferric alum. Alum is added to bacterial toxin and toxoid to precipitate proteins. Which one of these zinc salt is used in ophthalmic preparation as mild bactericide is zinc sulfate. Zinc carbonate on heating gives zinc oxide plus CO2. Zinc oxide is used in dusting powder as astringent and topical protectant. Slacked lime is a calcium hydroxide. Calamine is a zinc oxide with traces of ferric oxides. Hemanite is the aura of titanium. Which one of these is used in sunburns is titanium oxide. Silver nitrate is titrated with ammonium thiocyanate. Seaweeds is a source of iodine. Boric acid occurred naturally in Tuscany, is present Italy. Glycerol is added in the assay of boric acid is to make stronger acid. Which one of these is used in treating with dandruff is selenium sulfite. Eusol is a solution of boric acid and chlorinated lime. Sulfur is used as scabicide. Cryolite is a sodium aluminium fluoride. Sodium fluoride used in the dental caries. Which one of these is used in hypersensitivity is strontium chloride. The combination of zinc oxide and phosphoric acid is used for filling dental cavities. Oleum is related with sulfuric acid. Orthophosphoric acid has molecular formula is S3PO4. Sodium hydroxide contains sodium carbonate as impurity due to absorption of CO2 during storage. Isotopes are nuclide with same atomic number but different mass number. Which one of these is a naturally occurring radionuclide is radium-226. Which are of these particles bear no charge and mass is gamma particles. Half-life of radio element indicates half taken for half of the ratio element to disintegrate. Calomel is a mercurious chloride. The color of phenolphthalein in 0.01 NaOH solution is pink. Sodium metal is stored in kerosene kept in well-closed container. Which one of these substance is a self-indicator is KMnO4, potassium permanganate. Caustic soda is sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Which one of the following is used in radiation sterilization is gamma rays. Sodium sulfate is commonly known as glacier salts. Which one of these is used as thickening agent for hygroscopic powder is colloidal silicon dioxide. Purified water is prepared by ion exchange resin. Which of these substance is used as anticoagulant is sodium citrate. Parameter prescribed for bentonite is swelling capacity. Material salt is a sodium metaphosphate. Which of these is used as preservative? Is sodium benzoate. Xylitol is indicator used in the complexometric titration. Barium meal is a barium sulfate compound powder. A gas used for fumigation is sulfur dioxide. Washing soda is a sodium carbonate. Which of these is a surgical aid? Is plaster of Paris. Which one of these is a systemic antacid? Is sodium bicarbonate and sodium citrate. Which one of these is used as absorbent? Is light kaolin. Magnesium sulfate is a saline cathartic. Which one of these is a saline cathartic? Is potassium acid tartrate. The approximate chemical composition of heavy magnesium carbonate is MgCO3 MgOH2 5H2O. Limit tests are performed in National cylinder. Mostly all the sodium compounds contain chloride as impurity because they are prepared from sodium chloride. Magnesium trisilicate has approximate composition of 2MgO2, 3SiO2, 3H2O. Light kaolin differ from heavy kaolin is all of the above. Rochella salt is a deliquescent. On oxidation, potassium permanganate liberates atomic oxygen. The color of dried ferrous sulfate IP is grayish white to buff. Potassium iodide is prepared by the mixing potassium hydroxide and iodine. Which one of these inorganic salt possesses sedative action? Is potassium bromide. Which one of these is a radio-opaque compound? Is barium sulfate. Which one of these is a surgical aid? Is plaster of Paris. Simethicone used in antacid formulation is a silicone. Bleaching powder is prepared by action of chlorine on calcium hydroxide. Conjugate acid has positive charge. Which one of these is an antiemetic agent? Is diamine hydranate. Which one of these is an acid used in the treatment of skin condition? Is benzoic acid.